Hi, my name is Catherine. I'm a social media coach and marketer based out of Whistler. I've been in sales and marketing for over 20 years. I'm handling social media accounts and advertising campaigns for over 10 years. And in the last 5 years, my business partner and I have taught over 4,000 real estate agents and small business owners how to officially market their products and services on social media. I'm reaching out to you today because I'm doing a market research and I really want to try to understand what are the main pain points that people have with their social media and their online marketing. If you have 10 minutes of your time and you'd be willing to hop on a call, it would really mean the world to me. In exchange, I'd be super happy to do a social media audit or answer any of the questions you might have about Facebook, Instagram, and advertising. So I look forward to our meeting and hopefully we'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.